8:15 daily operations weather briefing for Monday. We have active weather out there this morning and continue to see active weather for this afternoon and evening. We'll have a chance of some thunderstorms this morning with a likely scenario of thunderstorms across the region this afternoon. Some of those could produce some heavy rainfall across our area. We'll also see a possibility of a few strong to possibly severe thunderstorms in the area for this afternoon. We will have a likely scenario of seeing some heavy rain across our areas as well. So a very active weather day here at Wallops Island. Looking at our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we have some convection across our southern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula that's trying to move up into our region here at Wallops. Just seeing some light rainfall this morning at the island, but not at the main base. So just south of the main base this morning with some rainfall over the island. Seeing those showers, some heavy rainfall associated with those showers just off the coast this morning. That's going to continue to move towards our region slowly. So we'll be in and out of some shower activity this morning and a possibility of a thunderstorm. We have a warm front that's currently across the Virginia-North Carolina border that's going to be moving towards our region for this afternoon, and an area low pressure across the Tennessee Valley that's going to be moving along that warm front, and the associated cold front for this evening that's going to be providing us with some very good chances of rainfall and possibly some thunderstorms for this afternoon and evening. Looking at our observation page for this morning, we do have some showers and thunderstorms. Possibility of a thunderstorm, as I mentioned, with this convection off the south of the island. That's going to continue to slowly move off to the north and off to the east this morning. We do have more showers and thunderstorms across central Virginia. It's going to be moving towards our region for later on this morning into the afternoon hours. It's going to give us a likely scenario of showers and thunderstorms over our region. We have winds becoming south to southeasterly this morning. They'll become quite gusty this afternoon. We'll see winds possibly near or over 25 knots for this afternoon out of the south to southwest as that warm front approaches and moves north of our region. Also be seeing good chances, as I mentioned, some heavy rainfall with these showers. We'll have lots of moisture in the atmosphere with the dew points, see here, 71, 72 degrees. So very moist atmosphere out there this morning, and that'll provide us with a good chance of some heavy rainfall with any of these thunderstorms that do move over the area. Temperatures are rising fairly nicely this morning in the lower 70s. We're seeing our temperatures moving into the upper 70s for highs today near 78 degrees. Looking at our current weather as of 8 a.m. this morning, we do have a scatter deck at 3,000 feet, a broken deck at 9,000 feet, a broken deck at 12,000 feet, a broken deck at 15,000 feet, and also a broken deck at 25,000 feet. Did have understated visibilities with also a little bit of a light rain shower activity across the region. Our winds have a 160 azimuth at 11 knots, temperature at 74 degrees, and relative humidity at 76%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a good chance and likely scenario of showers and thunderstorms across our region, especially during the early afternoon into the evening hours today. Looking for our morning time frame from 8 local to 12 local, looking at orange for precip and lightning, and that'll most likely be after 11 o'clock today for the lightning with precip orange, or about 50% chance of some precip across the region for the whole entire time period. We'll have a yellow scenario of winds over or at 25 knots with the south-southeasterly winds increasing to 23 knots, gusting this afternoon. We'll see a sustained wind, this morning, anywhere from 11 to 16 knots, and possibility of some heavy rainfall as well. Moving into the afternoon into the evening hours, we'll have red for rainfall and also for lightning, so a good chance we'll see some showers and thunderstorms in the area. Also orange for our winds at or 25 knots, so we'll see that wind becoming gusty out of the south to southwest as that cold front approaches from the west. Also we'll be seeing continued yellow for SIGs and visibility, as well as heavy rainfall. Moving into night, the nighttime hours, we'll see our winds decrease during the overnight hours out of the west. During the overnight hours, about 5 to 10 knots, and then becoming north-northwesterly at 6 to 11 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll still be seeing our chances of precipitation through the nighttime hours, with possibility of some heavy rainfall as that cold front slowly moves through the region. Seeing a low tomorrow morning about 68 degrees with a high today at 78 degrees. So our 24-hour terminal forecast, it's quite detailed this morning and also lengthy. I'll just be kind of giving you the general idea of what's going to happen today. Likely scenario of rainfall for this morning into the late morning hours with a 35% chance of a thunderstorm. Looking after 11 o'clock today, we'll increase those chances of thunderstorms up to 55% chance. We do not see that rainfall in the area or thunderstorms after 11 o'clock. We're seeing a few at 2,000 feet, a broken deck at 8,000 feet, a broken deck at 12,000 feet, overcast deck at 18,000 feet. Moving on, after 1300 local today, we'll be seeing 80% chance of thunderstorms, so very likely chance of thunderstorms in our region, and we'll have that heavy rainfall with those thunderstorms moving through. After 5 o'clock today, we'll be seeing such as chance of showers and a 30% chance of thunderstorms. We'll see a little bit of a lull in the activity. Can't rule out showers and thunderstorms during that time frame, but looking like that first batch will move through anywhere from about 1 o'clock to probably 4 o'clock, and then seeing a break after the 5 o'clock hour with a isolated, a scattered chance of some showers and thunderstorms in the area. And then for the overnight hours, we'll see an increase once again of our probabilities of thunderstorms, 65% chance after 2300 local, and that'll last till about 3 o'clock or 3 a.m. on Tuesday morning. We'll see a 30% chance after that till 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, or 0 to 600, and we'll be seeing a 15% chance of thunderstorms from 6 o'clock Tuesday morning to 8 o'clock. And after 8 o'clock, we'll just see low clouds in the area, broken at 800 feet, broken at 300 feet, overcast deck at 8,000 feet, 5-mile statute visibility with some rain showers, and our tides would be a half a foot above normal. Looking for extended for Tuesday into Wednesday, extended forecast, overcast skies with rain showers lingering during the morning for Tuesday. Then it'll be a fairly decent afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy during the afternoon, high of 79 degrees. Have that yellow for precipitation, during the morning hours. And for Tuesday, we'll have Tuesday night partly cloudy to mostly clear, less humid, low of 64 degrees. And for Wednesday, we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and pleasant conditions, high of 81 degrees. So Wednesday really looks like a nice day with that cooler morning, low of 64 on Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon only seeing a high of 81 degrees, green conditions across the board for Tuesday night and Wednesday. That's going to complete the weather briefing at 8:15 for daily operations. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for our extended forecast.